Get Sifu Reader's Big Book of Sansu Stuff on Amazon. Inside you will find a training manual stuffed full of details and other cool stuff. Go to Patreon and sign up for access to the video tutorial database that has all the lessons in the book. Train at your own pace or have Sifu Reader walk you through the training. The training manual has the suggested time frame and layout for each level. Take your time. The video database has over 200 video tutorials to enhance the details in the book. You will learn Kung Fu forms, fighting drills, and much more. The database is always being updated with better instruction and quality based on user feedback. Kung Fu Sansu will be forever preserved by your dedication to the details and training. Join the others who are already started today.